Yo, what's happening, traders? FX Killers here, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the 6 major factors that held me back from being a profitable trader, guys. And once I actually changed the way I did these 6 things, I actually saw a major growth spurt in my trading style as well as in the profits that I was making from my trades. So yeah, if the video helps you out, of course, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We almost had 2,000 subscribers, so thank you for all the support, of course. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video and let's help you guys become profitable traders the FX Killers way, guys. And we're going to start off with the first one, which is actually revenge trading, guys. So revenge trading is one of the worst things that you can do as a trader. It's basically where when you take one loss, you try and recover that loss immediately after you have actually closed up the loss in the trade, and you keep on doing this and doing this, and you create a snowball effect of losses, and you'll see that your account balance, guys, goes all the way down because you just keep on entering trades and more trades and more trades and more trades, and these result in constant losses one after the other because you aren't thinking clearly, guys. You guys are only focused on basically making back your first loss, but you aren't realizing that you actually incurring more and more loss because you aren't thinking straight. You're now basically chasing the market, and you are now creating a very, very bad trading psychology for you guys self, right? And that brings me to the second point, which is chasing after the market, right? So these two factors actually go hand in hand. So if you are going to be revenge trading, that means that you're actually chasing after the market. And as traders, we don't want to always be looking for setups, chasing after the market and basically chasing after that money. We rather want the market to come to us and show us the exact setup that we want to show, and then we take a trade after that and we make profit from that, guys. Because there's no point in being on the charts 24/7. If you want to become a trader, you want to have freedom, right? So there's no point in you always chasing after the market the entire time, being on your phone, being on your laptop 24/7, chasing, guys. There's no point in that at all. Rather, what you do is you wait for your perfect setup to come and you do that instead of chasing after the market. And once you stop chasing the market, you'll see also that your revenge trading goes down a lot, guys. And that's where you can also conserve your account balance, because you obviously won't be taking so many losses after, like one after the other. You might take a loss for the day. That's perfectly fine, guys. That happens with every single trader. Up until now, I've been in this trading game for 4 years and I still make losses till this day, guys. There's no perfect strategy that you can get that will give you profits every single day, guys. It's impossible. So yeah. Then my third point will be the lack of knowledge. So many traders actually go into the market thinking that they're going to make R1 million within their first month or within their first 2 months. But that is not the case, guys. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's more of building a business for yourself, and this business will pay you a lot of money over time, right? So one thing I like to do is actually, I think about trading as a compounding business. So the exact same way where some people put money into a bank account and it compounds with interest. So in this way, I'm actually putting money into my trading account and I'm compounding with profits. So once I make a profit, my account balance goes higher. Then that means I have more money to actually trade with. Then I take a trade with a higher balance, so I make more profit. The same thing the next day, more profit on a higher balance, and so on and so forth. And now that also creates a snowball effect, but this time with profits, guys. Because now I have the knowledge that I need to actually trade. I'm now basically being a profitable trader, and I'm trading with a good mindset, guys. So if you do have a lack of knowledge, the one thing I can say also is to invest in your education, guys. You are not going to make it in this industry if you do not have help. I mean, you will find the rare occasion where there are some people that get through it alone, but obviously it's way, way better if you have a team that you're working with. Even if it's like 2 or 3 of your friends, if you don't have money to pay for mentorship, but you have 2 or 3 friends that have the same goals and the same mindset that they want to be traders, you just get them together and you say, listen, let's build up a strategy and let's get the knowledge we need together and let's help each other out. This way you'll take out the lack of knowledge and you'll build yourself up with very good trading knowledge, guys. Then on to the fourth major factor is one strategy only, guys. This basically means that you should not be chopping and changing between strategies, because one thing I can say is there is thousands of strategies out there and only a few will work for you, because every person is different, of course. Like for me, myself, I can't be using ICT because I don't know what it is. So that's why I stick to support and to resistance, because I know that I have mastered that. And that's my one strategy that I'll be using for the rest of my life. There's no need for me to go and chop and change between ICT and support and resistance or SMC or whatever you call it. There's no point in doing that, guys. Rather stick to one strategy, master that strategy, and from there you'll see how you'll actually start chopping the markets, because you have only one thing in mind. Because sometimes ICT will show you a sell, but support and resistance shows you a buy. Then what do? Do you buy? Do you sell? That's why you stick to one strategy and you master it, and you'll see the growth that you have in trading, guys. Then the fifth point that we go on to is going to be learn how to calculate your risk, right? One major factor with being a trader is knowing exactly how to risk manage, right? So it's called risk management. So exactly how you are going to be managing your risk in a trade. So how much are you willing to lose in this trade? How much are you willing to gain? So if you take a look on the screen right here, you can actually see that these past 4 trades have been absolutely perfect trades. And my risk to reward ratio over here is a 1:5.8. That means I'm willing to lose 1 rand to make 5.8 rand in profit. Over here, same thing. This is a 1:1.4. So I'm willing to lose 1 rand, but I am willing to make 1 rand 40 cents. So you can see that in every single scenario, my risk is small and my reward is big, because I know how to calculate my risk. I'm not going to risk my entire account on the trade. I'll risk like a very small portion of it in order to make back a larger portion if the trade actually works out. You can see over here, guys, a 1:6. Over here, today's trade, 1:11 risk to reward ratio. So over here, I'm risking 1 rand to make 11 rand. And you can see exactly how these profits will actually start compounding. And even if you do take a loss, over here, you will be losing 1 rand. But if you win over here, you'll make back the 1 rand. Or if you made 5 rand in this trade, but you lost 1 rand in this trade, you're still 4 rand up for the week or for the month. So you can see it's very beneficial to actually know how to calculate your risk, because then you can see exactly what you're willing to risk, what you're willing to be rewarded, and from there you take it and you can be an efficient trader and you can cut down your losses a lot, guys. And that's what we want, of course. We want our profits to be way bigger than our losses, right? So yeah, let's go on to the 6th point, which is focus on trading only, right? Because many people actually go into trading with the mindset that they want to use the profits from trading to go into other businesses. But as a beginner, I would not recommend this at all, right? Because if you make maybe say 3,000 or 4,000 rand for the month with trading, you can't expect to put that money into a business and that business to obviously flourish, because it's too little bit money. And also, if you do this, you're going to basically be like dividing up your attention between the two things, between your business and between the trading. Instead, focus on your trading only, master it. Once you see some good profits coming in, then you can say, okay, this amount I'm going to put towards business, this amount I'm going to put towards investment, into my trading account, into this, into that. That's one mistake I made, guys. In my first year of trading, when I was making like 1,000 rand per day, I wanted to take this money and start a business. And I did actually do it, and that business failed very badly because it didn't have my full attention. I was focusing on making the 1,000 rand to put into the business, but I wasn't actually focusing on the business itself. So that's why it's better to focus on one thing at a time, master it, and then branch out into everything else that you want to do, guys. So yeah, with that being said, guys, these 6 steps or these 6 major factors is what held me back from being a profitable trader. And once I actually changed up these things and I basically I corrected them, then I saw a massive growth spurt in my trading journey, and now I'm reaping the benefits, guys. I'm a full-time trader. This is exactly what I do for a living. I've been doing that for 4 years. So you can see, guys, that I do know what I am talking about, and it's not like I just started yesterday and I'm trying to give out advice, guys. Use these steps, see how it goes for you guys. Drop a comment down below if it actually helps you guys out, if you guys see a difference in your trading journey. With that being said, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.